My name is Carlos Moreno, and I'm a welder. I've been welding for 11 years already. Yeah, I started a company back in like 2009. I have a business before. I was doing like a auto detail, and some friend bring me to the company, and then I started doing like cleaning, grinding, and the sheet metal company. And then I see the guys welding. I think it was an interesting title, to learn. I jump in. What I noticed is, the way that you guys set up the line of work, Like I see a lot of technology right now, I never see it before, and I've been welding for so many years, and I think it's pretty good. I never see a company with this system, the new system about, how you run the jobs and all this stuff. I think it's very interesting, I like all this new technology. I'm very excited working with this.